Hi guys, Kevin here, and today we'll be taking a look at the Logitech Brio. It's a 4K webcam. We're going to take it out the box, set it up, and see how well it does. Logitech Brio. Let's take a look. Currently, at the time of making this video, the Logitech Brio is going for $180 on Amazon. Just something to think about while you watch the unboxing and demonstration of this video. Now, let's go ahead and get our trusty dusty knife ready. Let's get this open. Comes in a generic cardboard box. Now there is another box that they put this camera in. It's the same camera, but the one that I got here off Amazon came in this generic box. I'll put a picture up of the box with the gloss finish in case you're in the store and you wanted to know what to look for. I also called Logitech just to confirm if there are any differences between the cameras in these two boxes. The lady I spoke with told me they're exactly the same. The one on the right is the same camera but targeted for businesses. That's why they have a plain box, or for people who purchase in bulk. Since I got mine off Amazon, I guess they purchased in bulk so that they can break them out and send them to individuals. That makes sense. Now this camera has a good weight to it. It feels premium. It also has this little flap here. I guess that's to help you adjust it when putting it on a monitor, and it's USB-C, as you can see here in the back. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. If I can get this out of here. Oops. Okay, looks like I yanked that a little too hard. Rip the cardboard. Okay, so we've got a pouch. So let's go ahead and put that away for now. This looks like this is the cover for the lens. So let me just go ahead and put that on here so we can have a look at that. Okay, so yes, that's the cover. So you have privacy. There are two microphones on the front of the camera, on the left and right. You can see those little slits there. Now it's also compatible with Google Meet, Zoom, Windows Hello, Skype for Business, and Microsoft Teams. Now, Logitech claims that this camera can record up to 90 frames per second in any lighting condition. So let's go ahead and take a look at the cable. Let's get it out of its packaging here. Okay, so one end is USB 3.0 and the other end is USB Type-C, and that goes in the back of the camera. That's about it for that. Logitech Brio. Now let's take a look and see how well it performs. I'm going to come back in 1080p and then we're going to do 4K. Now here I'm back in 1080p. So let's go ahead and set up the Logitech Brio and see how I appear with that. So I'm back, and now we've got the Logitech Brio 4K webcam set up, and you can see me now in 4K. Look at the shot, it's much wider, and you're also listening to the audio through the Logitech Brio. It's a nice camera. We're going to see how clear it is once we take a look at the video. Hi guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to dim the light so we can see how the camera performs in dim lighting, since Logitech says that it can perform well in any type of lighting. Also, you're still listening to the audio through the Logitech Brio. Also, I did a video on the Logitech 4K webcam. I'll leave a link, actually a thumbnail link at the end of the video so you can click on that. And love you guys. For more videos like these, click on the thumb links at the end of the video.